Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14 ba145ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 14 ba145ns keyboard isn't responding, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty connection or a damaged keyboard itself. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and may lead to further complications with your device. To tackle this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement keyboard compatible with the HP 14 ba145ns. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage any clips. As you lift the panel, take care to avoid pulling on any cables connected to the motherboard. Now that the back panel is off, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top of the laptop, connected to the motherboard. Gently disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting the locking tab. After that, you can remove the screws holding the keyboard in place. Make sure to note the type of screws used, as this can vary. Once these screws are out, carefully lift the old keyboard away from the device. When replacing it with the new one, ensure it aligns correctly before securing it back in place with the screws. Reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it back into the connector and pressing the locking tab down. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've successfully replaced the keyboard, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid damaging the casing. To verify that everything is functioning correctly, power on your laptop and test the keyboard. If it responds properly, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To help prevent this issue in the future, ensure you keep your keyboard clean and avoid spilling liquids near your device. Additionally, using a protective cover can shield against wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.